I'm about to do is show you the configuration of an Advantech Uno 1170. And as this thing boots up, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the space bar, kind of tap on it so that it comes up with a configuration screen. And this is it right here. And what it does is basically gives me some options. Directly out of the box, anything that's an ACP enabled thin client is going to come with DHCP enabled automatically. For my environment here, I can easily leave the terminal IP address as DHCP, but I do want to go ahead and change the actual server, the primary ThinManager server, to a static IP. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. What I do is I simply click on the letter B. I type 10.6.10.151, and once I do that, I can enter that in, and now you'll see that that's on the screen there. That's really all the settings I have to have. Is once again, I'm going to leave my terminal IP address at DHCP. Now I'm going to save, and once I do the save, it's going to actually reboot the actual thin client again and initialize it. It's going to start getting its configuration, go inside of ThinManager and get the load that it needs. So this is a very simple way of just making sure that your thin client can actually connect to your environment, whether you want it to be DHCP or by a static one. Once it's booted up, it gives me the option to say, do I want to create a new terminal up here on the top line, or do I want to make it the one that's existing? Right now it knows it's an existing one that I've taken offline, so I'm going to say I want it to be the supervisor terminal, and I'm going to say the next screen it comes up and it pops up and says, okay, I'm changing it from one configuration to another, that's fine, click OK and continue, and it'll continue loading the mods that it needs. That's all it is to actually change the configuration that you need inside of a thin client in order to bring it into your environment. Thanks.